A New Mexico doctor who is an expert on the subject says there is new evidence that television is bad for kids.
It's not just that zone-out factor of kids watching too much TV. The nation's leading pediatrician group says TV commercials are getting ridiculously bold.
In this country, we spend $250 billion on advertising. There must be a reason for that. Advertising works.
The American Academy of Pediatrics has been warning the country for years that it feels many television commercials encourage teenage obesity, drug and alcohol use, and now increasingly sexual activity.
Why advertise a drug which makes it seem like everybody is out there having sex? When you make sex seem like normative behavior, of course teenagers want to have sex. At least advertise a product which will protect them.
Dr. Victor Strasburger of UNM is the lead policy writer for the American Association of Pediatrics and says the increasing prevalence of sexual enhancement ads is hypocritical and confusing to young people.
And yet we live in a country whose government is spending $170 million a year on abstinence-only sex education.
So the Academy of Pediatrics now is calling for not only tobacco commercials, but sexual enhancement drug commercials to be limited to after 10 p.m.
If we can make children and teenagers healthier by changing the nature of advertising that they're exposed to, then that's what we should be doing.
Pediatricians say at best the sexual enhancement commercials can open a dialogue for children with their parents. But many parents in Albuquerque say the catalyst for that conversation should not come from a commercial warning of 4-hour erections.
I think children get real conflicting messages. I think some of the children aren't developed enough emotionally to understand what's going on, but at the same time, you're going to get a lot of questions from children as far as, Daddy, what is that, or what are they talking about?
I would prefer to have that dialogue come from me when I feel that my children are ready for that, and in a way that I know my children, each child learns differently.
The American Academy of Pediatrics says it would rather see far more contraceptive commercials on the air, especially here, because New Mexico has the third highest rate of teen pregnancy in the country.